Chevrolet presents Sculpturamic Styling. There was a time when the look of a car was not truly designed. Parts had a way of being tacked on, with little regard for appearance. Then, as style became a strong selling point, a more unified shell grew around the car. This was styling from the outside in. Beauty only skin deep. But now, the most fully unified styling ever known in an automobile. Just 57.4 road-hugging inches. A car wider than ever. 77.7 inches of luxury look. A car reborn in new, longer silhouette. 209.1 inches overall length. Rakish extra length. Well carried by a longer 1958 wheelbase of a full 117.5 inches. Yes, for 1958, all new styling goes far deeper than details of exterior trim, outward silhouette, and surface looks. It's beauty with a purpose. It's Sculpturamic Styling.
A car that's longer by almost 9 inches, lower by 2.5 inches, and wider by nearly 4 inches. A car with an all-new design, all-new styling, and all-new chassis. A car with value-packed engines and power teams. A car that has all-around newness that tops any model change in any year. The newness starts with a bold new front bumper wrapping around the front end. The new grille of sterling anodized aluminum won't pit, rust, or stain. Wider new front fenders form protective hoods over the dual headlamps. An advanced styling feature, they give up to 100 feet more visibility. The dual-styled parking lights add to the beauty of the front end. The sculptured hood, free of ornaments, is lowered to just a little over 39 inches for a fresh, clean, completely new look. On the outside of the 1958 Chevrolets, distinctive bright metal moldings underline the beauty of the sculpturamic side styling. Sterling anodized aluminum and paint are used to set off this metal side trim. There are bright new stars in the 58 Chevrolet line. The Bel Air Impalas. A very special convertible, a very distinctive sport coupe. They are the last word in beauty, with bright metal appointments once reserved only for luxury show cars. There's a car full of newness in this 58